Hi, I'm Daisy. Before we dive into the tutorial, here's a quick preview of what your realistic assistant can look and sound like in DemoDazzle. Hello! Are you ready to create a presentation where you are presenting, talking, and replying to the viewer questions without actually being there? Head over to di.com. Click on Get Started. Choose your preferred login method. Click your profile icon. Then select API keys from the menu. Click on Create Key or Regenerate Key to get started. Click on Yes, Regenerate Key. Don't forget to copy and save it securely. Remember, you won't be able to see the key again once you leave this page. Go to 11labs.io. Click on the Login button at the top right. Click on the Profile button. From the menu, select API Keys. Click on the Create API Key button. Give your API key a name. Make sure to give access for text-to-speech, read-only access to voices, and read-only access to user. Click on Create. Copy and save it securely. Keep in mind, this key will not be shown again for security reasons. Ready to build your own assistant? Let's jump into the tutorial and show you exactly how it's done. Before jumping into assistant creation, there's one quick step. Head over to the Integrations tab from the side menu. You'll find a list of available integrations right here. Add your DID API key and click Update. This lets you use a lifelike talking avatar. Want to sound like you? Just paste your 11labs API key to use your cloned voice. If not, you can stick with the high-quality default voices we provide. Let's create your very own assistant in DemoDazzle. It's quick, smart, and super fun. Click on Add Assistant. Start by giving your assistant a name. Make it memorable. Add training info. This will help the assistant in answering the questions. Write a warm introduction. This is the first thing your audience will hear. You can even add an exit message to guide users when they leave. Click on Next. To add demo flows, first give the module a name. Click on Choose Video. Select the demo flow you created. Click on Submit. You can add multiple modules. Similarly, you can add another demo flow to the presentation. Click on Next. Drop in FAQs your viewers are most likely to ask. Your assistant will handle them like a pro. Choose Realistic Avatar for the real talking avatars. Choose a primary voice your audience will connect with. You can choose from the given options. Or paste your own custom 11labs voice ID here. In case of low credits or issues, your assistant will fall back to this voice. Upload your image to personalize the assistant. Just make sure you have the right to use that image. Hit save and boom, your assistant is live and ready to dazzle.